Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell shares and stocks on Trading 212. So to do this, you basically just log into your account and you're going to click on that pie option. Now at the bottom you will see that there are investments and pies. So if you choose, for example, let's choose any of these shares. As you can see, I can only buy it and not sell it. It's because it is on my pie. So as it is on a pie itself, I cannot sell it within here, just like a stock. But for example, if I go to Adidas, then as you can see, I have a sell option. So it has to be an individual share. So in order to sell it like that, you're going to click sell, and then you can choose a market. You can choose limit, stop, and stop limit. So basically, you can go ahead and sell it just like so. If you want to sell a stock from a pie, you will first need to go ahead to the pie. And for example, let's choose this one. Choose holdings, edit pie. And now you will need to go ahead and click the delete button here. And you need to remove it. Once you will remove it from the pie, then you will go back to your investments. You will find that share here and you're gonna sell it just like so. It has to be an individual share in order to sell it. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.